Hi, I'm Rachel. Today I'm in Lanzhou in the capital city of Gansu province. One thing you must do when you come to Lanzhou is try the amazing beef noodles here. Did you know that in Lanzhou city, every day more than 1 million bowls of noodles are eaten here? 你好，好吃吗？哇，这是猫洗吗？是的。是的，是，这是儿洗吗？
是的。
是的，啊，好好，哇。
There are 12 types of beef noodles according to the thickness of the noodle. This man is eating sanshi. It is very thin. This lady is eating shimian, which is even thinner than sanshi.
Today I realized I'm not a very good noodle waitress. Hopefully I do much better at actually making the noodles. So let's go meet the noodle maker now. Master Ma is going to show me how he hand pulls these noodles. I'm so excited to learn from him today. Can you teach me?
好。这和起来以后，再还要反复的揉。这抡起来以后，把这抡上之后，先要吹，你看，这样，
Oh wow. Oh my gosh, you're so strong.
现在你，
我可以试试。好的，你，
这面是吹，
这个this way. Oh my gosh, it's so hard.
你看我做一遍，你
Okay, 我看你。And you use this hand too. Okay. Okay.
看，揉下去，弄上来，看，这样揉。那这个是
Is that right? No.
你初次学的话是他是这样搞不了，抡起来，抡过来以后，
Okay. He makes it look so easy. Mine always just get so messy together.
功夫是一天一天练就出来的，
哎呦。
你看。
Oh my god, it's amazing. Wow, it's like kung fu.
拉面也是个功夫活，它要有相当的这个臂力和这个腰力。我这个功夫已经教到2000多个徒弟了。
Another important part about the Lanzhou beef noodles ingredients are 1 clear, 2 white, 3 red, and 4 green. The ingredients are prepared in a certain proportion, and the guests can directly add the ingredients to the noodles. This not only makes delicious noodles, but also makes the process clean and sanitary.
拉面看着简单，每一道工序都很重要。比如揉面，我18岁做学徒，前3年都在学习揉面，过程很枯燥，一些学徒干着就不想干了。我师傅说，没有不好的工作，只有不好的人。什么工作干好了，都能干出名堂。
I'm so glad I had the chance to come to Lanzhou and try the famous beef noodles here, and also learn how to make them from Master Ma.
A bowl of noodles may seem simple, but it's not easy to make it tasty. These noodles bring together Lanzhou people's innovation and tradition, as well as Master Ma's lifelong persistence.